Starting the game with a baseline guess. I am clicking the search box, typing in section, waiting for the drop-down suggestions to appear, pressing enter to select the first match, and then clicking the guess button to submit. This will give us the initial feedback on type, year, rating, and any overlaps. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red farther than 2 years, arrow obscured by drop-down. Rating is red farther than 0.5, arrow obscured. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi. Actors and director Christopher Nolan have no overlap, all gray. The target is a movie, not action/adventure/sci-fi, released 2 years from 2010, rating 0.5 away from 8.8. Type is green, so target medium equals movie. Year is 2010 with a red down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2008. Rating is 8.8 with a red down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 8.3. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi are gray, so it's not those. I will guess The Truman Show 1998, comedy/drama, tilde 8.2 rating to test these new genres and an older year. Type is green for The Truman Show movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is 1998 with a red down arrow, target is older than 1996. Rating is 8.2 with a yellow down arrow, target is lower, between 7.7 and 8.1. Genres comedy and drama are green. Director Peter Weir is green. Actors are gray. The target is an older Peter Weir comedy/drama movie with a rating around 7.7-8.1. Type is green for The Truman Show, so target medium equals movie. Year is 1998 with a red down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1996. Rating is 8.2 with a yellow down arrow, meaning the target is between 7.7 and 8.1. Genres comedy and drama are green, and director Peter Weir is green. Dead Poets Society 1989 is a Peter Weir comedy/drama with an 8.1 rating, fitting all constraints perfectly. I got it. The answer was Dead Poets Society, and it only took me 3 guesses. Hitting on director Peter Weir and the comedy/drama genres with my previous guess made it a breeze to find this older classic.